feels so right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what we've been through, I miss you.
Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own logo using Picsart. I used to use Canva, but if you guys do not know Canva, you do not own those fonts. So right now I'm scrolling down to the bottom. You can pick a transparent background or a white background. I chose transparent. I'm going to go ahead and add in a text, and then I'm going to go ahead and play around with the fonts. I kind of already know my color scheme, which is pink and orange. So I go ahead and do pink and orange. And, you know, as always, I play around with the stroke in the background because I feel like the stroke in the background is what makes your logo or your wording pop on anything that you do. So right here you can get a little fancy. You can click the two squares on top of each other, move it up or move it down, or you can go ahead and use the eraser and kind of erase it to give like a shadow effect of the other words. Or you can go to Google, type in anything, and bring it over to the logo, and then all you will have to do is just remove the background, and you can add that to your logo as well. And that is how you can make a basic logo using Picsart. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials.